In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GitHub Copilot not working in VS Code. If Copilot used to suggest code and now feels silent or unavailable, the most common reason is simple. The original GitHub Copilot extension has been deprecated. That older extension is no longer the supported way to get AI help in Visual Studio Code. So if you're relying on it, you may see errors, a grayed out status, or no suggestions at all. The fix is to switch to the new experience that GitHub now maintains and updates. Instead of the classic Copilot extension, you should use the GitHub Copilot Chat extension. This is the current actively supported extension from GitHub, and it brings both conversational assistance and coding help into one place. Think of it as the modern home for Copilot inside VS Code. It's designed to understand your workspace, answer questions in context, and assist with tasks like generating snippets, explaining code, and guiding you through refactors. Here's how to get it going. In VS Code, open the Extensions view by clicking the square icon on the left sidebar or using the keyboard shortcut for the Extensions panel. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot Chat. Find the official listing from GitHub and click Install. Once the installation completes, you'll be prompted to sign in. Choose your GitHub account and approve the authorization prompt so Copilot Chat can connect to your editor. If VS Code asks you to confirm or reload, go ahead. That's normal after adding a major extension. When sign-in is successful, you should see Copilot status in the bottom bar, indicating it's ready. Now you can use it. Open the Copilot Chat panel from the sidebar and start a conversation in the context of your workspace. You can ask it to explain a file, then propose a fix for an error, or generate a function based on a short description. While editing, you'll also notice Copilot proactively offering suggestions as you type in supported languages. Accept what you want or refine your prompt in the chat to steer the result. If you highlight a block of code, you can ask for improvements or tests and get targeted suggestions that reference what's on your screen. A couple of quick tips for a smoother experience. Keep VS Code up to date so the extension has everything it needs, and make sure your workspace is trusted so Copilot can analyze your open files.